The ethics of empathetic code. Technology is a useful servant but a dangerous master. Christian Lauslang. As we translate human intimacy into algorithms, ethical questions emerge. Empathy engineered without consent risks exploitation. The same systems that nurture trust can manipulate desires, shape opinions, or distort identity. Ethical coding demands awareness. Building for connection requires responsibility. Ensuring that digital bridges don't become prisons of influence or instruments of persuasion divorced from human welfare. For the full story, click the link on the screen. Thanks for your time. It's been a delight. Subscribe to Orbital Sapiens and keep your thoughts bright.